good afternoon everyone. Welcome back with me again. Okay, so this time I'm in Kuta because I saw the video about Kuta Beach. It was really, how to say, big wave, yeah? Because we got rain in the last 2 days. So let's go and see the situations today, guys. But before we reach Kuta Beach, I want to update you the situations here at Jalan Kartika Plaza, and this is around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And today, as you can see, the weather is still not really good, cloudy. We got rain a little bit in the morning, so a bit difficult to predict the weather now, because now is the dry season actually, but we got some rain sometime. But again, like I said, you will be fine if you visit Bali. It's normal to have some rain, but it mostly like quick shower, 30 minutes rain and then it's gone. Just bring umbrella and then you will be okay, guys. And here, as you can see, it is quiet, yeah? It's considered quiet, I can say. And this is Lipo Mall. It's not really busy. They're putting new restaurants there, and they will have live music here every night during dinner time, I think. Wow, look at this. I didn't really see it before because maybe it was covered, but today it's clear to see this big building is abandoned. I think it was they were planning to build a hotel maybe. But most of the shops are open, and we got a little bit of sun today, and this is Bintang Valley Resort. We got a bit of sun today, which is good. So you can go to the beach, or you can do some shopping. All the shops are open, like here for example. And it's a little bit of traffic jam here. I don't know what happened. Maybe the car is going out from Anfaya Hotel. And here on the right side is the Fabris Hotel, guys. You'd like to stay here maybe? It is a nice hotel, isn't it? The pool is good. The location is good. And this is the Anfaya. It's really a big hotel. Last time I showed you the situation about this hotel from the beach side, and this is the front side. Okay, let's continue. Some Indian restaurants here on the left side, and here is the Green Garden Hotel, but I don't think they have opened already. As you can see, still long way to go. Yeah, big renovation here. Look at that. I don't know how long they will need until they finish the project. But it's been like that for a very long time. There's a money changer there. BMC money changer. That is a good one. You can change money safely here. And here on the left side, I think most of you know about this hotel, Discovery Kartika Plaza Hotel. I think it's one of the biggest hotels in this area. Well, it's getting busy here. And this is the Discovery Mall, of course. Okay, let's drive a little bit to this area. 7 Icon Mall has opened already in Sanur. So there are more malls in Bali. Do we need more malls? I don't know. For me myself, I think we have more than enough. This is the Bamboo Bar and Grill, Spice Mantra, and of course here is the Water Boom. Would you like to go to Water Boom maybe? So busy in this area. And Warung Damar, I think a lot of people like to come here based on your comments. And this is Bali Garden Beach Resort, guys. That's a nice garden now. A lot of tourists walking around, which is good to see that. I think they will be very happy now because we get sun after a cloudy day for a few days. It's quite busy at this restaurant. And this one also, look at this temple restaurant. All the shops are open, and this one is the Matilda Sport Bar, is also quite busy, guys. Look at this. Many people here enjoying their time. They're adding more chairs outside also. Here on the right side they have Bluefin Japanese restaurant, and they have Italian restaurant here. I recognize most of the cafes or restaurants here that have quite a lot of guests, so which is good. And this one I don't know will be, but next one, this is the Gabah restaurant. It's also busy, guys. Wow, traffic jam starting from here. Okay, let's go to the left side here and let's see the, what you call this, the Kuta Beach from the market area. This is Kuta Art Market. As you can see, there are so many cars here, which is good. That means this area probably busy and good for the businesses, especially for the local people that are selling souvenirs or dresses around here. Look at that. Some tourists here. And this is the art market. Okay, let's see the beach situation. Hopefully it is good now, because last time I saw the video it was so bad. The water is it was so high level until the pedestrian, guys. So let's see today. Okay, let's walk around. Last time there was a event here. I think, when did I come here last time? It was like 2 weeks ago. And today let's see the situations around here, guys. This is new spot for you to take picture. And as you can see, from this side the beach is quite okay. I mean, it's quite clean. And then it's a bit high tide, but the water is still there. Let's take a walk and enjoy the atmosphere of the beach. It's good to see this beach is busy. That is Tantrum Hotel, guys. Let's have a quick look from here. Wow, this is the situation. So far it's so good, yeah. I mean, it's not really bad. But half of the, this place is gone because of the erosion. But at least you got some sand down there. So people can put some chairs there and they can enjoy their time by the beach. I saw the video last time the water came up until this area. Okay, let's take a walk. The sun is shining, which is good. So people must be happy now after a few days no sun. And this is the Kuta Beach in front of the Hard Rock Hotel, guys. This is the situation. This is what happened here. It was big erosion, but I think still okay. I mean, you still can enjoy this beach. But of course the government need to do something about it. Maybe they can get some sand and put it here. So for you that planning to stay around Kuta and planning to visit this beach, this is the situation at the moment. So you still can enjoy the beach, guys. I think it's okay, and the beach is clean. Yeah, last time it was big water and until I think up to pedestrian, but now it's okay. So that's all for today's short video from this area in Kuta. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to support me by subscribing this channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.